Giặc chỉ stay ta nói chuyện con lạ tin great stay on to la chizai when disa chizai say that to la disa naji say that shmo der ni bun la bun con disa. Hi there, how is everyone doing? Okay, so today what we're gonna do is you guys are gonna learn how to say some names in Zapotec. Most of the names come from Spanish, so then we take those names and then sort of make them into Zapotec. So we have these personal name titles in terms of address. Okay, so it's really important because I mean, especially the titles to use with older people than you is just a term of showing respect. Okay, so as I said that, I mean, most of the names are from Spanish, and then we take them and then I guess make them into our own Zapotec name. So for instance, we have man's name here, so I'm gonna say them for you so you can hear how we adapt them to Zapotec. So for Pedro, it's bad. So I guess what I'm going to do, so we can move on a little bit faster, and then I can have more time to say them. What I'll do is just say the names in Zapotec, and you guys can check the names here. So again, so I'm just going to go from top down, so I don't need to read the names in the middle. And then, as usual, you have your pronunciation guide here. So hopefully, as I say them, you can look at your pronunciation guide and also repeat after me. So let's begin then. So for man's name, it's from the top down. So it's bad, check, whine, liep, mosh, nutch, pamil, nest, roin, use, and then we have women's name, and as you can see, we need a title for women. So I'm going to start with the first one. Lekat, lechon, lieda, liedes, leglor, lielen, lemoyne, liepetter, litien, lejuan. All right, so how you use them? Well, these are some of the sentences in the way we use them. And I think that we've talked about Cali Chiu. Where are you going? So I would ask somebody if I know that Elena is going someplace, I can say, Cali Chiu, Lilen. Again, Cali Chiu, Lilen. And please keep reading the information that that we have here. So there is more information there. And as I keep mentioning, I think that I think the best way to help you learn Zapotec is for me to say the sentences in Zapotec. So please keep reading the information that's there. So don't disregard it, okay? Next sentence. One more time. Okay. so sometimes right here, just want to make, point out sometimes Leah, it's roughly equivalent to Jap, okay? But other times it's not. So just pay attention and read again, keep reading the information that we provide in these lessons. And to refer to an older person, Tio Pamil, Tio Pamil, Tio Ernest, Tio Ernest. And we feel that Tio, I think that might come from Spanish, from Tio, but this could mean Senor or Mister, or also can mean literally means uncle. Okay, so okay, and then referring to an older person, give them respect. So we have be it, okay, so be it, and then the title of woman, right? So be it Lijuan. So if it were somebody around your age or younger, and or you feel like you should refer to the person in the formal greeting, so you say Lijuan. But I would suggest that if you feel that that person is older, you could say Viet Lijuan or Viet Leda, unless that person say, hey, you can drop the Viet, but as a courtesy, I think that a Viet Lijuan, you should use the Viet, okay? And then we have another title here that it's like Dad, Senor, and Nan, like Senora. And so the way we use this with even older people that you have more respect. So we say Dad, okay. Or then for women, it's Nandya Peter. Nandya Peter. Okay. So again, cover this information. So here we have a list of titles. Okay, so I'm gonna say them for you, and this is ma'am or senora, respectful term of address used to an older woman. Vietnam, Vietnam, Viede, Viede, and this one Kawet, Kawet. So this is mostly used among males that are very close friends. Otherwise, you might offend somebody. So, so if you feel like really close to that person, you can use this word, but otherwise, just avoid it. And then we have R, 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 R. Okay, so we have the E and A here. So next one is wole, wole, wole. Lazata youth, Lazata youth. Respectful, formal term of address. And then we have term of address used to a baby. Lien, Lien. And then we have this one, Ma, Ma, which also can mean a term of endearment for a girlfriend, for instance, as well, which is not here, but like it means sweetheart, right? Like Ma. And this one, I think it might come from Spanish, which is hombre, like from hombre, 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 H at the end. And again, we have pa, pa. And again, this is a term of endearment as well for like a boyfriend, significant other, for a male that you can say pa. It's also, although it's not here, but we can also use it that way. And then informal term, it's talo, talo. And next is tiwe, tiwe. And please keep reading what it means right here, because sometimes I might go over it, sometimes I might not. So just keep referring to the information right here. Shnambieda, 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 shnanuzana. Again, shnambieda, shnanuzana, or stadvieda, or stadvieda, staduzana. Okay, this is my very revered sir, extremely respectful term of address used to a man, and the other one is for a woman. Okay, so those are the titles that we have. So these are personal names, titles, and terms of address. So I hope that you keep it up and read all the information, but also listen carefully to the sounds, the tones on this lesson. Okay, so for now, I'm going to stop right here.